Okay, guys. So here, um, regarding putting a picture on your virtual gallery for Tinkercad. So, say for example, this was your particular playground that you created. This is just the generic one that I showed you in the previous video, and I did show you guys how to uh, grab a picture, kind of a screenshot, utilizing Tinkercad. But given the fact that I fear that some may have forgotten this, and to ward off excessive amounts of questions of, hey, Mr. Brown, however do I get a picture of my playground? So what I want you guys to do is to put it kind of like a three-quarter view so I can just take a quick look at it. If you want to put more than one, you can take multiples of it. It would be nice maybe if you guys could do, I'm going to say 3 to 4 pictures would be preferential, um, so that I can get a really good view of what you did. A top view is nice, but I'd rather have like a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, kind of like that. So to do that, you just go over here and watch my mouse. Here's my mouse. And you click send to, send to. And then you just hit download locally. And you'll get your picture downloaded. And then, to get the second one, you just move it, go to send to, and download the second one. Click X. And then again, turn it again, hit send to, hit download. And it would be nice to have one more picture, like so. And hit send to, hit download locally. And then all those images will be in your, if you're using your Chromebook, in your Google Drive. If you're using any other kind of computer, like your own personal computer or family computer, whatever happens to be, it'll be saved in your hard drive. And it may depend upon the system you're using, but usually things go into a folder called downloads. All right, that's it. Just a reminder on that. Have a beautiful day, Vipers.